Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Chambers County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Liberty County in southeastern Texas until 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:54 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Mont Belvieu, Oregon, 10 miles east of Barrett, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Liberty, Dayton, Mont Belvieu, Old River Winfrey, Ames, Piazzetta, Hardin, Kennefic, Devers, and Dayton Lakes. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. 7:25 p.m.